Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And for all of those who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. And now we are going to get right into these Colorcl Siesta Halo Day contact lenses. So Colorcl reached out to me since I am a part of their affiliate program, and they sent me a whole bunch of lenses last month. I did a review on all of the lenses. I'll link it in the cards right here and in the description box down below. And I talked about these lenses. I also said if you guys wanted a review, then let me know. And a few of you have requested that I review these Siesta Halo Day lenses, which is the ones that I'm wearing now. Now here is the Colorcl website, which I'm sure by now you are all familiar with if you've been watching my other contact lens reviews. I've done a few reviews. I'll link some in the cards and put the playlist in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out and let me know what other lenses you want to see me review. A few of you have requested I review a few other ones. Those are being sent to me, and I am ordering a couple that I'm interested in reviewing as well. So once those get here, you guys know I'll do a review for you, no problem. But back to these lenses, I will show you the specs. I'll put up the specs right here along with Colorcl's website, which I'm sure you guys all know by now. And they were sweet enough to give me a discount code. I'll put it on the screen right here. Thank you so much to everyone who has used my discount code. It gives me a small commission and it helps me stay on their affiliate program so I can continue to get lenses from them to review for you guys. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you in advance. And now let's talk about these lenses. Now when I first saw these lenses, I didn't think I was gonna like them. I'm gonna be very honest. I was like looking at them in the package, like I didn't really think I was gonna like them, but now that I've worn them and I've seen them like up close and in different lighting, I think these are my favorite out of the Halo Day, and they came out with the Halo Night. I don't like the Halo Night as much, but I do love these, the Halo Day. They are my favorite between the two pairs of contact lenses. So here is how the contact lenses look with a ring light. Here is how the contacts look with room lighting. As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. And here's how the contacts look in natural sunlight or natural daylight. Let me know what you guys think about these contacts down below. Now here is how the lenses look, one eye in, one eye out with a ring light. Here's how the lenses look, one eye in, one eye out in room lighting. And here is how the lenses look, one eye in, one eye out in natural sunlight or daylight time. What do you guys think about these lenses? Let me know your honest opinions down below. I love to hear what you guys think about the lenses that I review. Don't forget to check their website out and use my coupon code if you are interested in purchasing any of their lenses. I'll put it here on the screen again and the description box down below. All you gotta do is just click the link in the description box. But let me tell you guys about these lenses while I show you up close shots as usual. So when I first saw these lenses, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't think I was gonna like them as much. I thought they were gonna be too dark, mixed with my own light brownish eyes. I didn't think they were gonna blend very well, but the blend is actually pretty nice with my own eyes. On their website, it says that these are dark blue, but I also see, as you can see, if you look at an up close shot that they have on their website of these lenses, I find that they're like dark blue, navy blue, maybe a pinch of light blue mixed with a little bit of red. Like, it's a lot of different colors, maybe a little bit of brown mixed into these contacts. Also, the pupil hole isn't too huge, so that part I like. These lenses are very opaque. The lens itself is a little bit thicker than, let's say, the creamy collection. You know how those lenses are very thin. These lenses are just a little bit thicker, but they're not too much thicker. Like, they don't bother my eyes or make my eyes uncomfortable or anything like that. I've worn them for about 6-7 hours straight and they didn't make my eyes uncomfortable. They are very comfortable lenses. Still thin, but just a tiny bit thicker because I guess they're so opaque. So they're gonna look good, I believe, on anyone who has light brown eyes, medium brown eyes, or even dark brown eyes. On dark brown eyes, I saw on their website that a girl reviewed them and they actually look more blue on her than, let's say, on somebody like me. On someone like me, they more look like a deepish reddish brown, as you can see, like, especially like in the natural daylight. I love these lenses because you can't even tell that I'm wearing lenses. I feel like I can definitely get away with wearing these with some mascara and that's it. Like, they blend very well with my own natural eye color, so just keep that in mind if your eyes are darker or like mine. Let me know, of course, in the comment section down below what you guys think of these lenses. If you also have any other lenses you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section down below. You know I love to read all of your comments. I do have a giveaway going on until October 18th. I will also link that video at the end of this video and in the cards right here. Check it out. And don't forget to, of course, give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Check out Colorcl's website. I'll put all the links in the description box down below. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and drama, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. And I will check you guys all out in my next video. Don't forget to share this video on social media too. I usually put my socials throughout my video and description box. And I will see you all very soon. Bye!